Are you a loving parent that could not bear to think that your child was unhappy? Most loving parents just want their children to be happy. And most loving parents today believe that happiness comes from buying their kids things. This is a myth. Happiness research teaches that happiness comes from relationships. So what your children need is more quality time with you, more fun relationships with the extended family. As long as a child's basics are met, emotional gratification is much more important. So you don't have to break your back working to earn more, to buy the biggest and the best and the fanciest gadgets. Visit my website reneemule.com. You will find lots of information on parenting, happiness, children, depression, all kinds of topics that can turn your thinking around so that you and your children can have a happy life from today.